Asynchronous requests with Python requests. I tried the sample provided within the documentation of the requests library for Python. With async.map.rs, I get the response codes, but I want to get the content of each page requested. This, for example, does not work. Note: the below answer is not applicable to requests v0.13.0+. The asynchronous functionality was moved to requests after this question was written. However, you could just replace requests with requests below and it should work. I've left this answer as is to reflect the original question, which was about using requests is lower than v0.13.0. To do multiple tasks with async.map asynchronously, you have to define a function for what you want to do with each object, your task, add that function as an event hook in your request, call async.map on a list of all the requests, actions. Example.
Async is now an independent module, requests. See here, this URL. And there, ideal method for sending multiple HTTP requests over Python. Installation. Usage. Build the stack. Send the stack. Result looks like. Requests don't seem to set a limitation for concurrent requests, EA, when multiple requests are sent to the same server.
I tested both requests futures and requests. Requests is faster but brings monkey patching and additional problems with dependencies. Requests futures is several times slower than requests. I decided to write my own and simply wrapped requests into thread pool executor, and it was almost as fast as requests, but without external dependencies.
Unfortunately, as far as I know, the requests library is not equipped for performing asynchronous requests. You can wrap async/await syntax around requests, but that will make the underlying requests no less synchronous. If you want true async requests, you must use other tooling that provides it. One such solution is IO Python 3.5.3+. It works well in my experience using it with the Python 3.7 async/await syntax. Below I write 3 implementations of performing n web requests using purely synchronous requests, sync_requests_get_all, using the Python requests library. Synchronous requests, async_requests_get_all, using the Python requests library wrapped in Python 3.7 async/await syntax and asyncio. A truly asynchronous implementation, async_iopt_get_all, with the Python iopt library wrapped in Python 3.7 async/await syntax and asyncio. On my machine, this is the output.